Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 30. Jamaica has signed a $582,000 grant with the United Nations Green Climate Fund. This to assist the private sector develop and implement strategies to respond to climate change. The Readiness Grant, which was signed on Monday, follows October's signing of a $300,000 grant to help the government formulate climate change resilient plans. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Daryl Vaz, used the signing to appeal to the private sector and all non-governmental organizations to make use of the funds.
You have our total support, and we'd like to be involved from the concept stage to the implementation to ensure that we get it right the first time and that businesses and indeed the country benefit from the resources of the Green Climate Fund and any other financing options regarding climate change.
The Planning Institute of Jamaica, Development Bank and Jamaica Social Investment Fund have been nominated as national implementation agencies. The capacity building process will provide knowledge and expertise to businesses to access money from the fund individually through grant funding or concessionary loans.
Subsequent to approval, they will be instrumental in the development of funding proposals and the management and monitoring of projects and programs.
Government is expected to spend $81 million to repair farm roads in Manchester and St. Elizabeth. Roads to be repaired in Manchester are Brandon Hill, Chudley Path, St. Tully's, Reckford and Alvey, while Delightful, Thatch Walk, Fantyland, Spring Park and Hodges in St. Elizabeth will be rehabilitated. Work is expected to be completed in March this year. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, J.C. Hutchinson, made the announcement on Wednesday during a tour of the parishes. He said fixing the roads would reduce transportation and production costs to farmers. The work will continue in the next financial year to fix farm roads not repaired under this rehabilitation project. The country is closer to having an updated law for governing building approvals and processes, as well as regulation of the industry. The building bill was passed in the Senate on Friday with 30 amendments. Among the provisions of the bill are the establishment of the National Building Code and the appointment of the Bureau of Standards Jamaica as the agency to set acceptable local and international standards for construction.
That the National Building Code is now designated under this Act, and then it speaks to, in 14.5, the different international codes that have been modified and designated by the Bureau of Standards. So they have already been reviewed in consultation with all the stakeholders and accepted as the building standards.
In addition, the legislation establishes municipal corporations as the local building authorities. They are responsible for inspecting, certifying and taking the actions necessary to approve new structures. They also have the authority to change existing buildings or destroy dangerous structures. The building bill also seeks to streamline the permit application system, to eliminate unnecessary referrals and expedite responses, and to ensure the rights of persons with disabilities regarding accessibility, safety and user-friendliness. The bill was passed with 24 amendments in the House of Representatives in November last year. The Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA, will be engaging clients and stakeholders on various trading activities through a special traders forum. The event is to take place in a few months. It's intended to bring together stakeholders involved in export, import, logistics, warehousing and haulage, among other trading areas. The JCA says it will use the forum to educate, sensitize and heighten the awareness of various processes and procedures involved along the supply chain. The strategic initiative was launched on Friday by Finance Minister Audley Shaw, who says it opens up a new avenue for effective communication.
You are now charting a formal course to communicating better with your importers and all of your stakeholders. Yes, I commend you on that because we need it.
The Trade Forum is designed to facilitate improved medium and long-term efficiency within Jamaica's trade environment through effective service delivery by the JCA. Top cruise operators have expressed confidence in Destination Jamaica despite the ongoing state of public emergency in St. James. This is one of the positive outcomes of a meeting on Friday between Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett and cruise officials in Florida. Mr. Bartlett says the cruise operators are keen on deepening their relationship with the island. The minister's trip to Florida forms part of a new initiative to assure key stakeholders from important markets such as the United States, United Kingdom and Canada that Jamaica is still a vibrant vacation choice. He expressed confidence in the cruise industry, saying there will be great improvements this year based on the positive feedback received from cruise industry leadership and potential investors. And finally, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information is engaging parents and stakeholders in activities to promote reading at the early childhood level. Read Across Jamaica and Read Pandikana are two of the initiatives being promoted across the country. The activities are being carried out by the Early Childhood Commission.
This is the kind of initiative that we really want because, we've been pushing the importance of the first 1,000 days of a child's life. That is the key. That's where executive function is being developed.
Under the two reading initiatives, parents and stakeholders participate in reading and other parenting activities. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.